In today's video, we are going to show you a complete beginner-friendly guide on how to trade using expert options step by step, even if you've never traded before. So the first thing that you need to do is open your preferred browser and go to the official website, which is expertoption.finance. And then sign up using your email, Google account, or Facebook, and follow the on-screen instructions. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will arrive at the main trading dashboard. If you are new to the platform, you can practice using the demo account before trading with real funds. Right now, I am using the real account. All I have to do is scroll down and click the demo account, which is the yellow button. Now, at the top side of the trading interface, you will find a drop-down menu containing all the available assets. This could be currency pairs, commodities, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. Now, all I have to do is click on the asset you'd like to trade. For example, we're going to be choosing USD to Euro. Click the select asset. What will happen is the price chart will update automatically to display the selected market. Now, before opening a trade, take some time to review the chart. Now, at the bottom, you will see that you have multiple tools that you can use for your first trade. The investment amount is going to be the trade amount, and you can start small from $1 to $5. Remember that you should always use demo account first to avoid risking your real money. And then after confirming, choose the expiry time. If you want, you can also have the option to auto close it. Let's say, for example, it will close around 30 seconds and click the confirm button. And now you need to predict the direction of the price. If you think the price will go up, you need to click the buy button. And if you think the price will go down, you need to click the sell button. That's it. And if your prediction is correct, after the time expires, you can earn profit, and if it's wrong, you will lose the trade amount. It's super simple. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you trade on expert option as a beginner. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.